Hey there guys, welcome back to Wonder Off-Road. Well, here we are again guys, out for another adventure in another cool place. And this place, we decided to go back up to Big Bear, and we're about on 2N01 right here. And this is a great trail, a lot of scenic things to see along the way as well, some great open meadows. And that's what we love to see. We come to see some great things as we go on our adventures. And this one, we're actually going to meet some friends out here, have a little bit of a cookout as well, because you know what's better than camping by yourself than camping with some good friends. And we really enjoyed ourselves. This was one of our best trips we've had in a long time, especially with some good friends, to really celebrate and just being friends and being out in nature, guys. So stay tuned, but first, can you guys please like, comment, and subscribe? Your support really helps this channel. And with that, guys, I have some other stuff I want to bring up as well. Wonder Off-Road, we have opened a Shopify store, and we have so much cool items, some cool merch that you guys can help purchase and support our channel, as well as our affiliate links as well, guys. These really do help this channel grow, and it helps us give back to you guys as well. Wonder Off-Road, we were able to this last few months to give away 2 Devos Light Rangers, one 1200, one 800 mini, guys. So when you guys do help support Wonder Off-Road, it helps us give back to you guys. So as we're along this trail, you guys can see these beautiful open meadows as you drive along the way. And where we're headed to is Juniper Springs, guys. This is a really cool group campsite. You guys can pay to rent out for the weekend or a day or two. And it's really nice. It's wide open. It's designed for a group, so if you have a lot of friends and you don't mind a little dirt on your vehicle, and your vehicle is somewhat high clearance, at least, you know, a mid-size SUV, you know, with some ground clearance, you'd be able to enjoy this spot over here in near Big Bear. So again, the spot is Juniper Springs Campground, and here's all our friends, and we're ready to set up our camp as soon as we hit the ground. And that's the great part with camping with a trailer, though, too. It really takes no time to get our gear set up and ready to go. Watch, I'll just show you guys, and go. And as you guys can see, we brought out our trailer on this adventure because we're trying out some new gear. This is the Pittman Outdoors rooftop tent. This is a new one they just released.
Hey guys, Robert here. Well, we finally made it to our camp, got it all set up, and we're gonna try out some new equipment on this trip and also hang out with some good friends. But also, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this with friends, share this with family. So over here, the Wonder Off-Road setup, we have our tried and true 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. Sorry, it's a little dark right now. It is twilight and the sun's going down really fast. But we have some cool stuff. We got our Starlink Mini set up on our Devos Light Ranger 800 or 12,000. Our Devos Light Ranger 2000. And then we have our goings open right now, so you guys can see inside a little bit, I think. But then we have some other cool stuff. But tonight we are sleeping in the Pittman Outdoors tent, guys. I'm gonna tell you some more about this one later, but guys, this is really cool though. And then we have our tried and true trailer set up as well. This guy's great. You can take more gear and just camp and adventure. And then of course we have our clean waste tent set up. This is really handy, especially with the trailer. You know, when you can't always go inside your tent, you have a nice clean space to clean and get dressed. So Omar, a friend of mine, he's camping over here in the Coleman Dark Technology tent. Tried and true, these things do work. And for the price, if you're not adventuring all the time, this is a great budget entry level to get into. And he's rocking his Jeep XJ. So these are, again, these things are really tough. You can really get some work out of these guys. Matt's Off-Road Recovery drives one of these, and they're really handy. So we got our friend Frank over here from Yoda Tech. He's camping in the Tacoma with a flip pack, and this is really cool. It creates so much extra space, but it still compacts down really small. He has an awning set up, so for extra shower and or toilet needs, it's ready to go. And then he has a moonshade, and these are really cool. Let's come in a little closer for a view. And Frank's over here with his setup too.
pero no les puedo decir a todos.
And we have John's 80 Series Land Cruiser. This guy knows what's up. 80s lead the way, guys. Then he uses a moon shade awning as well, and he has a projector screen, so it's really cool. But look at this, guys. He has also the Juniper gull wings, guys, and he has look at this. He has a projector set up right here, so he can put a movie out on his screen later tonight. Definitely though, and he has a Delta bumpers, so really cool. Look at that swing out, really handy. John's rocking up over here with his hammock. This thing's tried and true. That keeps you off the ground, keeps you elevated, and keeps you comfortable all night. And here's Paola and Olaf's setup. They have a EDC. I think this is a Harker's Outdoor. Wow, this is really cool though. Look at this Jeep they have set up here. And then they have some more cool gear. And the cool part is too, this top opens up as well. So you can actually get more room, more space to camp up in this vehicle. This here is Rex, everybody. He's a friendly, good boy. His breed is good boy. Hey, Rex. Okay. Good boy, Rex. You're a good camp dog.
So after my leisurely stroll around camp, it was just great to be here. You guys could see that this place is really wide open for everyone. You could stick a lot more vehicles and people in here. And we had a really great potluck. Everyone contributed something, you know, to help make this meal great. And what's better than to break bread with some friends over a good meal. And unfortunately, since this is fire ban season, we had to bust out the propane fire pits. But they get the job done, and it keeps us warm. Now, if you enjoy our Campulance, I have a little promo for you here.
What's the first piece of gear that you pack when you're ready to head on your next adventure? If your answer is a light, well, you're in luck. Wonder Off-Road, we don't travel with any other light than the Devos Light Ranger 2000. So here's some of the features of the Devos Light Ranger 2000. This has about 2,000 lumens on white at full brightness, but it also has a runtime now at full brightness of 4 hours. Though, when you switch it down to red at 30 lumens on its lowest setting, it can last up to 45 hours. It's also USB-C rechargeable and can get up to 60% in about an hour and a half, and with a full 100% in up to 5 hours. It also is very compact, so this tripod and the whole setup can get as small as 3 feet and get as tall as 10 feet when it's fully extended. It also is IP56 rated for dust and water, so it can be out in some weather elements as well. Now, this light though is very versatile for your adventure and emergency needs. So where can you find the Devos Light Ranger 2000? Well, you can find them on Amazon.com and DevosOutdoors.com. Guys, we also have a promo code, so if you purchase it from DevosOutdoors.com, it's Wonder Off-Road, guys, and we can get you 10% off your order for your Devos Light Rangers. Again, they also have the Devos Light Ranger 1200 and 800. So these are great for your emergency, your outdoor, and your party needs. Devos has you covered from the backyard to the backlands.
All right, guys, that's it for us tonight. I'm gonna call it a night. I'll let you guys know how it turns out in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. So, we had a nice night. I wish I had the camera set up because we had a bear last night come through camp. So, that was really fun. Hearing that about 4 in the morning. I was like, what the heck's going on? You know, because you hear the footsteps around people walking around. You see a light. It's like, you know, people trying to scare off the bear. It was just a fun experience though. But hey, let's get some breakfast rolling. Okay guys, today's meal, let's do some chorizo. Time to eat up. Breakfast is served. All right, guys, I don't know how well you can see this, but straight about here, you'll see him. There's a deer walking across the way. I can't zoom in with this lens, unfortunately, but yeah. He's out here getting his breakfast this morning. Well, like all camping trips, it's time to pack it all up and get ready to head home. But this place is really one that you guys should come check out with your friends and your family. If you have some time and a little bit of ground clearance to come out here. You do not need this monster set up like I have. But guys, be prepared. There is toilets here, but there's not much other facilities than that. Bring your own water and be prepared to, get stuck if you do come out here sometimes. Most of the time these roads are really well graded. But hey, it's all fun though, guys, when you're coming out this area. But guys, thank you again for watching the video this far. If you like this content and want to see more like it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our Shopify store, link in the description below. And guys, with Wonder Off-Road, remember, you can't go wrong with that, guys. We'll catch you in our next video, guys.